What's up guys, this is Mehran and welcome to another battery life test in 2024. Today we are testing the battery life of iPhone XR, iPhone 11 and the iPhone 13 running on the latest iOS 17.4 in the year of 2024. As we know that in the fast-paced world of technology, battery life is a crucial factor in determining the usability and reliability of a smartphone. As I have seen some people buy old iPhone and then after a few days they are complaining about their iPhone battery life, that it's not good. So it's better to do some research before buying a 3 or 4 years old iPhone model. So now we'll be pushing these iPhone models to their limits. We will be doing some heavy activities to know the average battery life of them after the latest iOS 17.4. So before starting the video, let's have a look into the most important application for the iPhone users. If you are facing any issues on your iOS device, such as if your iPhone is stuck at the Apple logo or you don't know how to enter or exit recovery mode, then you don't need to worry about that, because the 10 share reboot can help you with that and can fix 150 plus iOS problem with few clicks, which is totally compatible with iOS 17. Just name a problem and the 10 share reboot will fix that for you in no time. All you need to download and install the reboot application on your Mac and desktop. Once the installation is done, simply run the application, connect your iPhone to the desktop, and then you can see all the features on the screen. Anyone can use this application as it doesn't require any technical knowledge. Just click any of the feature which you want to use. For example, if you want to upgrade your iPhone to the beta version or you want to downgrade your iPhone to the old iOS version, just click on that and you will get all the instructions on the screen, which is very easy to do as it doesn't require any technical knowledge. You can see on the screen we have got many solutions, so just click any of them and you will get all the instructions on the screen, which is very easy to do. All you need to follow these instructions to solve your iOS problems. I'm mentioning the download link in the description. Just let me know if you guys have got any question regarding 10 share reboot application. Now let's get back to work. As usual, the brightness is set to almost 50% on all of them. We are using the Wi-Fi network as they are SIM free, and all of them are also running on the latest iOS 17.4 version. Now we will be using each application for 1 hour. I will be showing you the battery percentage after every hour. Also at the end, I will reveal the battery health of each iPhone, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Now enjoy the music and I'll be right back.
Your name. Tell me how you're feeling since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow burn.
Welcome back. So we are done with the battery life comparison after the latest iOS 17.4. Now let's reveal the battery health of each iPhone model. So the iPhone XR with 88% battery health performed really well, I would say that, and this model should be appreciated as even after 5 years of release it's still giving us a good battery life. And the best news is that the iPhone XR is also getting the iOS 18 update, which is something really good for the iPhone XR users. So in short, this iPhone model is recommended for social users and gamers, as it would easily give you around 6 hours screen time after the iOS 17.4 update if the battery health is around 88%. The iPhone 11 also performed well with the 84% battery health. We got 5 hours and 34 minutes screen time with heavy usage. This is something really good, as after seeing iPhone XR and 11 performance, iOS 17.4 is still recommended, as I believe it won't affect your iPhone battery life. The iPhone 11 ended up at 5 hours and 50 minutes, which is also good enough as we have 86% battery health. So just keep in mind, if you are getting the iPhone 13 in 2024, then make sure the battery health should be more than 85%, so at least you can expect 6 hours screen time with heavy usage. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Let me know if you guys have got any question and your mind regarding this video. Just ask me in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.